to get 1099 from Amazon Flex. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get 1099 from your Amazon Flex account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Amazon Associates, and you will be able to see the first link on the top. Just simply click on it, which says amazon.in.associate central, and after that you will be landed to the official website of Amazon Associates. So in order to get your 1099 tax form from your Amazon Flex account, you need to first check the criteria for the 1099 tax form from the Amazon Flex account. So the Internal Revenue Services is requiring an employee compensation, for example service income, to be reported on the form 1099 NEC to US payee. And if you have earned income reportable on the form 1099 MISC and form 1099 NEC, you may be received two separate forms. So then you need to log into your taxcentralamazon.com to access all the tax forms. You will also get the 1099 MISC form. So if you are a US payee and you have earned income reportable on the form 1099 MISC by participating in one or more Amazon programs, you may be eligible for receiving 1099 form, and you need to meet the reporting threshold. For example, for $10 for royalty and $600 for all other payments, to make sure that you have all the years end-to-end reporting forms. So if you don't have received the form as of now on your email address, you need to visit the taxcentral.amazon.com, and then you will be able to access your tax form from there as well. So this is basically how you will be able to get 1099 from your Amazon Flex. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.